Hello, good afternoon. Myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the pituitary gland and hypothalamus. The pituitary gland or hypophysis is attached to the hypothalamus at the base of the brain. The hypothalamus is the major integrating link between the nervous and the endocrine system. Although the pituitary gland is sometimes called the master endocrine gland. Together, the hypothalamus and pituitary gland regulate virtually all aspects of the growth, development, metabolism, and hemostasis. The pituitary gland can be divided into the posterior pituitary and anterior pituitary. It is the size of the pea, weigh about 500 mg and consists of two main parts that originate from different types of cells. The anterior pituitary adenohypophysis is an upgrowth of granular epithelium from the pharynx, and the posterior pituitary a downgrowth of nervous tissue from the brain. There is a network of nerve fibers between the hypothalamus and the posterior pituitary. Hormones secreted ADH, ADH, oxytocins, TCH, FSH, LH, ACTH, PRL, GH. Pituitary gland is a small structure at the base of the brain which releases a wide variety of hormones that in turn control the activity of the body. Other hormone glands. Blood supply, arterial blood. This is from the branches of the internal arterioid artery. The arterioid lobe is supplied indirectly by the blood that has already passed through a capillary bed in the hypothalamus, but the posterior lobe is supplied directly. The influence of hypothalamus on pituitary gland. The hypothalamus from the both anterior and pituitary, but in different ways. Hormone of the pituitary gland, anterior pituitary GH, TCH, ACTH, PRL, LH, FSH. Posterior pituitary vasosuppressions or ADH, oxytocin. The posterior pituitary work as a unit with the hypothalamus. Although the posterior pituitary does not synthesize its own hormone, it does store and release oxytocin OT, an antidiuretic hormone produced in the hypothalamus. OT control uterine contraction during the delivery. And OT control the uterine contraction during the milk ejection during breastfeeding. ADH causes retention of body water, controlling the body water balancing mechanism. In today's class, I discuss about the following pituitary glands. Thank you for watching.